Understanding hitting the post in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, hitting the post. This is a common expression used in various contexts, and understanding it can really enhance your grasp of English idioms and phrases. So, let's dive in. Hitting the post literally refers to a moment in sports, especially in football, soccer, where the ball strikes the goalpost instead of going into the net. It's a moment of near success or frustration for players and fans. This visual image is crucial in understanding the figurative use of the phrase in everyday English. In everyday English, hitting the post is used metaphorically to describe a situation where someone comes very close to achieving a goal but ultimately fails or misses out by a small margin. It expresses the frustration or disappointment of coming close to success but not quite achieving it. Let's look at some examples to better understand this phrase. 1. I hit the post with my job application. I was one of the final 2 candidates, but didn't get the job. 2. She hit the post on her driving test, making a minor error right at the end. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various life situations, emphasizing the near-miss aspect of the experience. When using hitting the post, remember that it's often used to express sympathy or empathy towards someone's near-success experience. It's a way to acknowledge their effort and the closeness of their achievement. I hope this video helps you understand and use hitting the post in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the pictures those words paint and the stories they tell. Keep practicing, and don't worry if you hit the post sometimes in your language learning journey. It's all part of the process. See you in the next video.